How to log into Gmail on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen in Gmail. Then, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Add Another Account at the bottom. Click on it and then you'll find this. Click on Google. After that, you will need to add your email and then press on Next. After that, add your password and then press on Next again. Click on I agree. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on top right again on your profile. You'll find the account you logged in. Click on the profile you logged in earlier and you'll be able to log into the Gmail account. This is how to log into Gmail on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.